Hello friends, in this video we are talking about the data structures in the Python. So basically there are four types of data structures in the Python. It's a list, tuple, dictionary and sets. So today we are talking one by one all this type of data structures in the Python. So firstly we are talking about the tuples. What are the tuples? Tuples are basically is an ordered collections of element that is enclosed within a bracket. So the tuples are immutable. We cannot change the values of the tuples. So how we define the tuples? So it is very simple. We need to define the multiple values in that bracket. So it's a tuple and we cannot change the value of the tuples. Okay, so how can we access the that values of tuples? Suppose I want to access the first element of the tuple. So I will define the tuple one. It's a variable name, and the index position is zero. So in the tuple, always index starting with the zero. So here I have defined the variable name and then index value. It's a zero. So here is the output. It is one. Another example, suppose I want to define a tuple from first position uh, to second. So here I have defined a one first column to two. So here is the output 1.25 and then 4. Suppose I want to print the last value of the tuple, then I will define a minus 1. And I want to repeat the tuple. So just I will multiply the tuple value with the numbers that how many times I want to repeat. So here I want to repeat the tuple value 3 times. So I will multiply that tuple variable with the 3. So here is the output. All the values will come 3 times. Suppose there are two tuple 1 and tuple 2, and both the tuples I want to concatenate. So it is very easy to concatenate. Just we can multiply both the tuples. It's a tuple 1 multiplied by tuple 2. So here I have multiplied both the tuples value. Another type of data structure is a list. List is also an ordered collections of element, and we can enclosed within the in the large bracket, and list are mutable. So there is a two difference between the tuples and list. In the list are mutable but tuples are not mutable, and list we can define in the small brackets, and sorry, list we can define in the large bracket, and the tuples are we can define in the small brackets. So basically there are two difference between the list and tuple. So let's look some examples. uh, Here we can define the list in the curly in the large bracket, and then it is very easy to get the first index value. It's a 0 we have used, and the variable name, it's all the things are mainly similar to the tuples. So if I want to append some value, then just I used append function and then add the value. If I want to remove any value, then I will use that pop function, so it will pop that values. If I want to reverse the list, so just I will use that dot reverse function. It will reverse my all the list. If I want to sort that list, then I will use that dot sort function, so it will sorted all the values of that list. If I want to insert an element in the specific index, so it is also very easy. Just use the insert function and then specify where we need to insert that element and what the element we need to insert. Another type of data structure is a dictionary. Dictionary basically is an unordered collection with the key values pair. In the dictionary, we have defined key and value both, and it will enclosed within the curly braces. And we can also change the values of the dictionary, so it is also mutable. So here, for example, here we have defined the key and the value pairs. Suppose I want to just need to get the all the keys in the dictionary, just I will use the dot keys function. If I want to get all the values of the dictionary, then I will use the values function. Suppose I want to add some new element, just define the key and the value, means new key and new value. If I want to change a existing element value, then use existing key and their new value. Suppose I want to update a second dictionary into the first dictionary, so just I will use the update function and add the second dictionary, so all both dictionary value appear in the first dictionary. Set is the another data structure. It is also an unordered and unindexed collection of element that is also enclosed in the curly braces, and basically sets have no index, and it is also not allowed the duplicate value. So if we want to access some value, so how can we do that? uh, uh, just we firstly we will know about that how can we define a set. So just in the curly braces we have define the all the values, and if we print s1, then all the values are print. Another one is add, how to add the values in the set. It's a s1 dot add, and then value I have added a new value, it's a 4. So here is the output, it's a 1 2 3 4. And if I want to remove some value from the set, then s1 dot remove, and the value is a 3. So it is easily removed, 1 2 and 4. So 3 is removed now. If I want to union of two sets, so it is also very easy, just to define two values of, means two pairs of set, it's s1 and s2, then use union function. So it will gives the value 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I want to get the common values from the sets, then I will use the intersection function. So it will give me the common values from the both of these sets. It's a 2 and 3. So I hope you guys you like my videos and you better understand about the data structures, what is the data structure and how many types of data structure present in the Python. If you have any queries, then you can leave a comment in the below video sections. I hope you like my video. So please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.